We've been walking in this street for a long time, and we can see that progress is coming slowly. All right, that building is not touched, not clean. This one is occupied by people. It's like lofts. This one too. There's plants up there, but they already cleaned up those spaces, commercial spaces, and they're moving out. This one hasn't cleaned up yet, but the two next door, this building and the next one, that one is finished. It's fully remodeled, and this is why. That's the reason, because they open up this, they build a stadium, Mercedes-Benz Stadium. So the Sylvan Lofts used to be up there, cockroach housing. Those were lofts also called Sylvan building. They're gone, and you bet they're gonna sell them or they're gonna rent them very, very high, and that is a good thing. That is a very good thing. Those commercial spaces are taken also. I just hope they put something progressive and not garbage like the businesses they put. There's the railroad building, the Southern Railroad building that is completely remodeled. Well, it's not done yet, but it's almost done. Look at that. It was in ruins for many, many years since we moved in here. So now the whole place is remodeled beautifully. Of course, the windows are not original, but it's a beautiful building. Two buildings united by a bridge in the middle. Okay, this was going to be apartments or stores and everything. Apparently, I just learned that they're going to turn it into a hotel because the stadium is right around the corner. So this is going to be offices. The previous one is going to be condominiums. They're turning down that building right over there, the brick building over there. They're turning it down. And they're gonna build a parking lot. Down the bridge that was here, going all the way over there. There was a bridge right there, and they cut it off right here in between the two buildings of the Southern Railroad. Yeah, right there. They cut it right here and way over there, and they got rid of the whole thing. What? Why? I don't know why. What the fuck? Oh well.